Hello everyone, Tina here. I hope your day is going wonderful. Well, today we're going to do some watercoloring. There are some new items over at the Altenew shop and I get to share them with you. The first new item is a watercolor coloring book. They are 5 by 7 panels and there's 24 sheets of watercolor panels in here that have images, beautiful floral images that you all know and love from Altenew. There are 2 of the same, although one has black ink and then the other one has a very pale gray ink. One is great for creating like a stamped image and watercoloring it in, but then there's a softer one that you could do no line watercoloring with. And again, there's 24 sheets with 12 different patterns and the florals are just stunning. So today I thought we would create a couple projects using the same image, but one with the stamped look and one with the no line watercoloring look. Now, I'm not a watercolorist whatsoever, guys. I would call myself a rookie because I really don't know what I'm doing when it comes to watercoloring. But I just want to make that statement while I color because I could be doing so many things wrong. I just color how I like. So I hope you enjoy my coloring process, but this book makes it easy. You don't have to stamp it, wait for your inks to dry, or worry about inks bleeding. This is a perfect watercolor book. And the images in here too, my cards today we're going to create an A2 size card. But of course, again, you can make a 5 by 7 card with these panels if you wanted to. So I'm going to grab my images. I chose these beautiful flowers here. There's the stamped looking one, and this is the softer ink one where we're going to do the no line watercoloring. Now there's 2 new paintbrush sets to Altenew too. I thought these were so fabulous. You have a detailed brush set, which is this one. There are 4 paintbrushes in here. The paintbrushes do not have real hair on them. They are synthetic. Actually, the detail brush has synthetic sable hair and black birch. They're great for smaller images, guys, or for center flowers. The case is so nice for storage, and it does stand up on its own if you'd like to stand it up on your desk. They do have the little protective clear tubes. One of mine fell off here. We're going to put that back on there. But the nice thing about the detail brushes are the handles. They have these really comfortable handle middles. You can see here, and they fit your hands very, very comfortably. Again, these are sizes 0, 1, 2, and 3, and there's 4 in this detail brush set. So these are nice to have on hand if you love to watercolor. We're going to use them today for my projects, but I like that. The tips of them have that black birch, which is really nice. So this is your detailed brush, and then there is another set that Altenew came out with that is a bigger set, probably for larger flowers too. We're going to be using mostly the round set that I'm going to show you here next. It does have a snap closure too, which is really nice for storage. Now this is the round set. The round set has 5 brushes, 4 round brushes, and then 1 larger brush. The larger brush is a size 18, so it's great for covering your panels with your water. They're super smooth. Now these are made with synthetic squirrel hair and black birch, so no animals were harmed with the paintbrushes. I think these don't have that comfortable handle, but they're thick enough to where they're comfortable for watercoloring larger images, which is really nice. And I like the little storage case that they come in. The sizes for these are 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then again, you get the large size 18 for covering your panels with water to get your watercolor going. But these are the brand new watercolor coloring book and the 2 new paintbrush sets. I'll list them down below if you guys want to check it out. Actually, my video today is part of a blog hop celebrating the paint to flower sets and the watercolor coloring book and paintbrushes. So join in the hop. There is a giveaway, huge giveaway to go with it. I'll list the Altenew blog down below if you want to start at the beginning. It's a great place to start and hop along. Okay, let's just have fun and watercolor. I actually used washi tape. I couldn't find my painter's tape to tape down my panel to my little glass mat here, and then I sprayed my, this is the Altenew 36 watercolor set. Very nice set, guys. If you're looking for a nice watercolor set, I recommend this. I'm just going to dip my size 18 brush and cover my panel, kind of saturate it a little bit with water, and then I'm going to go in with my round brushes. I'm going to just play some music while I color, guys, and then again, I'm not an expert, and I'm probably doing watercoloring wrong. I'm just going to color how I like it. But when I'm done coloring, I will catch you back. Okay, I'm just about wrapping it up. Now, the panel that I'm coloring in now is the darker ink, the black inked panel. So this is like a stamped image that we're coloring in. And I flip-flop between the detail brushes and the round brushes. But I love the way it turned out. It was this pretty easy, guys. So this little coloring book is going to be coming in handy. Okay, we're going to go ahead and play a little music while I do my no-line watercoloring. And basically what I'm going to do is cover it with my size 18 brush that came in the round brush set, and then I'm going to use the same colors, just kind of alternating. I'm creating a no-line watercolor look, and I'll play some music when I'm done coloring this one too. I will catch you back. Okay, coloring's all done. I'm going to go ahead and use my heat gun and speed up my drying process here so we can make some cards. Now, I didn't mention this, but the coloring book, guys, is very high quality watercolor cardstock. It's actually 100% cotton cold press watercolor paper, and it's very thick and very nice. The color on it is a little bit on the ivory side. It leans more towards ivory than it does towards white. So for my card bases, I actually used an ivory cardstock. I just added some diagonal stripe paper behind my fussy cutout image. The fussy cut image was the one that looks like the no line watercoloring. I thought that we would accent that with some black and white stripes. I did add a little bit of detail with my black ink to the center of that flower, and I also did some splattering on my first card here. And you can see I added the diagonal stripe at the very bottom of the first one. For my both of my sentiments, I'm using the Altenew Inspirational Quotes stamp set. There's some beautiful sentiments in here. The one I just stamped says, "You're my never ending thought." I thought that'd be good for Valentine's Day. And then my first card, I stamped on a piece of ivory cardstock, "A mother's hug lasts long after she lets go." I thought that'd be perfect for Mother's Day. And then I popped that up, trimmed it down and popped it up with foam adhesive. But those are my projects today, guys. Join in the blog hop. I hope you will get inspired and have fun. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a lovely day, and we will see you again real soon. Bye-bye.